My dear friends, in this video I am going to show you the pocket option withdrawal proof, and also I am going to explain you few things that you need to understand while withdrawing the funds. So watch this video very carefully because it is going to be helpful for you. So as you can see here, firstly I deposited 5,000 US dollar in this brand new account which I have created and verified. And then now I didn't want to withdraw in this same place from where I have deposited. That means if you have deposited from card or any other method, then also you can withdraw in another method if the same method is not supporting your full withdrawal. Okay, so I deposited from one payment method at here, and then second deposit I made of 10 USD from my USDT TRC wallet from Binance. And then now I have two method of deposit. Now what I did is I made trade of $10, I lost it, and then I made a withdraw of 5,000 USD to the place where I have deposited 10 USD, as you can see here, and this 5,000 USD was successfully withdrawal to that method, as you can see here, completed. So now I want to refresh it firstly, and then I'll also show you by going here in finance and in history. Here you can see I've successfully withdraw this 5,000 USD. So if you are using pocket option and if you have doubt on whether I can withdraw the fund or not, then you don't need to have any kind of that doubt. Okay, you can easily deposit and withdraw your fund in pocket option account. But firstly, it is extremely important to verify your document. You can click on here and go to your profile, which looks like this. Okay, and here you can see you need to submit your passport, local ID or driving license, and it need to be verified. Okay, so that you don't face any problem while withdrawing fund. And next important thing, if pocket option in future, if pocket option asks you for any other document that you need to submit, then you should be willing and immediately submit that document. That can be a bank statement, utility bill or any other thing. If they ask you, then you can submit it and still be able to withdraw the funds in easy way. So if you have any questions regarding withdrawing your fund from pocket option, then do ask me in the comment section. I hope this video was informative for you. Bye bye.